So I'm here at Ollie's bargain outlet trying to find some things to resell, and I found some shampoos. Now, I'm not sure I'm going to get these or not. The profit is a little low for me. The ROI is really good. It's, you know, spend $2, make $2, so you're getting 100% ROI with a good seller rank. I'm just not sure I want to have it at $2 because there's not a lot of room to drop there. And if you know Ollie's, it's going to drop. So I'm going to show you this and let me know what you guys think. Here's the item right here, hair food shampoo. Now it's $1.99. Even if I use a 10% off, it's what, $1.80. So I'd make a little bit over $2 on it. It has a good seller rank, and there are quite a few of them. I mean, we've got, you know, 8 right there, maybe 8 right there, maybe 4 right there, some more down here. So we're talking, what, so just 8, 16, 32. We can maybe get 40 of them. So we're gonna make about 80 bucks or so. Give or take, and we're gonna spend about the same. Let me know what you guys think. Is this something you would pick up? This is something that would benefit from the small, it's not called small light anymore, but the under $9.99, you're gonna make more than if you sold it at, like, say $10.99. So you're doubling your money, but you tell me. Ollie's buyers these days seem to really just have a low bottom floor for what they make. And again, this wouldn't be a horrible buy, but you let me know what you would do. Is this something in your business that you would get? Maybe if you're just starting out, this would be a good thing to pick up as well, so that way you can start to build your confidence. You're not in it for a lot, and you have a chance to double your money. So let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe, follow for more Amazon FBA info, tips, and just follow along. Have a good one, and I'll catch you all later.